In this video, I will show you how to insert 3D bar graph in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, we need some example and sample data. I will create here sample data. So we have this sample data and we will create 3D bar graph for this data. So select your data, then insert, and here is the option charts. Click on this drop down to insert column or bar graph, and here is the option for 3D bar. In 3 style. So select any style. Now here you can customize this graph, adjust the size, can change style from here. There are some more styles. Here you can give a name for this graph. And once you click on this plus icon, so you can add more features with data table. Also you can remove these options. Guidelines and legend. Here you can change style and color. And in filter you can hide, then apply. So this is the way, guys, you can create 3D bar graph in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.